We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive look at the Elegear Revolutionary Cooling Throw Blanket, designed to absorb heat and keep your body cool for night sweats. If you own this blanket, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Elegear Cooling Throw Blanket, featuring ArcChill 3.0, cool fiber with a Qmax greater than 0.5, promises an innovative solution for hot sleepers and anyone struggling with night sweats. This blanket's standout feature is its ability to instantly reduce skin temperature by 4 to 9 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a noticeably cooler sleeping experience even in warm or hot summer weather. Many users have reported that this blanket delivers on its cooling claims, describing the sensation as akin to wrapping oneself in a refreshing breeze. It is especially favored by those who experience night sweats or live in warmer climates, with several reviewers noting that it has transformed their sleep quality during sweltering nights. The blanket is engineered with a double-sided design. One side utilizes the upgraded ArcChill 3.0 cool fabric, which absorbs and dissipates heat up to 12 times faster than cotton. This side feels slick and cool to the touch, offering immediate relief upon contact. The opposite side is made from 100% natural Egyptian cotton, which is soft, breathable, and suitable for when you want a less intense cooling effect. This dual-sided construction means the blanket can be adapted for year-round comfort. During hot weather, the cooling side is recommended, while the cotton side is ideal for milder conditions or when you simply want a soft, lightweight throw. The Elegear Cooling Throw Blanket is lightweight, weighing only 1.63 pounds and measures 51 by 67 inches. Its portability is a significant advantage, as users report easily taking it from the bedroom to the living room or packing it for travel, camping, or use in the car or on an airplane. The blanket's versatility extends to its use as a throw on the sofa, a summer sleeping blanket, or an extra layer for children, adults, and even babies. The product's packaging is also highlighted as a positive, arriving in a stylish gift box that makes it suitable for gifting on birthdays, holidays, or special occasions like Mother's Day or Father's Day. In terms of performance, the consensus from users is that the cooling effect is genuine and noticeable, particularly when the blanket is used alone and not layered with other bedding. Several reviewers emphasize that the cooling sensation is maximized when air is allowed to circulate over the blanket, such as with a fan in the room. The cooling side provides a slick, almost shiny sensation, while the cotton side offers a more traditional, soft feel. Users who tend to get cold during the night appreciate the ability to flip the blanket over to the cotton side as temperatures drop, making it suitable for seasonal transitions from spring to fall. The blanket's lightweight construction is frequently praised as it does not feel bulky or restrictive. This makes it especially suitable for those who dislike heavy duvets or thick throws. The size is considered generous for a throw, with users noting that it is comfortable for both shorter and taller individuals, and large enough to keep feet covered while lounging or sleeping. The blanket is also hypoallergenic and skin-friendly, which is important for sensitive users or those with allergies. Maintenance and durability are important considerations for any bedding product, and the Elegear Cooling Throw Blanket scores well in this regard. It is machine washable, but the manufacturer recommends using a laundry net bag to prevent entanglement and damage. The blanket should not be placed in a dryer, as this could affect its cooling properties. Most users report that the blanket holds up well after repeated washing, retaining its cooling effect and softness. However, some long-term users have observed that the cooling side may develop pilling after multiple washes, especially if the care instructions are not closely followed. While this does not seem to affect the blanket's performance, it can alter the tactile sensation for those who are sensitive to texture. A few users have noted variations between different versions of the blanket. Earlier models featured a distinct shiny cooling side and a matte cotton side, while some newer versions reportedly have both sides made of the cooling fabric. This change has led to mixed feedback, with some preferring the versatility of the dual-sided design for seasonal use, and others satisfied with the enhanced cooling effect of the double-sided cooling fabric. Despite these differences, the majority of reviewers agree that the blanket delivers a significant cooling benefit and improves sleep quality for hot sleepers. The blanket's effectiveness is influenced by how it is used. For optimal cooling, it should be placed directly against the skin without additional layers, and airflow in the room, such as from a fan, can enhance the cooling effect. Some users report that the blanket gradually warms up in areas where the body remains in contact for extended periods, but moving or flipping to a different section restores the cool sensation. This is a common characteristic of cooling fabrics, which rely on conduction and evaporation to dissipate heat. While the Elegear Cooling Throw Blanket is not thick enough to serve as a primary winter blanket, it excels as a summer or transitional season throw. Users who have tried bamboo throws or other cooling blankets often compare the Elegear favorably, noting that its synthetic cooling side is innovative and effective, while the Egyptian cotton side is soft and comfortable. The blanket is not intended for medical use, such as treating sunburns or fevers, but it is highly effective for general comfort and temperature regulation during sleep. Several reviewers mention that the blanket is a great solution for people who share a bed with partners who prefer different sleeping temperatures, as it allows the hot sleeper to stay cool without affecting the other person's comfort. The blanket is also popular among individuals going through menopause, pregnant women, and anyone who experiences hot flashes or night sweats. Its lightweight and portable nature make it an excellent choice for travel or for use in different rooms around the home. A few drawbacks are worth noting. The cooling effect is diminished if the blanket is layered with other bedding or if airflow is restricted. Some users find that the blanket requires periodic adjustment during the night to maintain the cooling sensation, especially for those who move frequently in their sleep. The blanket's lightweight construction means it may not provide enough warmth for colder climates or winter use, so a heavier throw may be needed for those conditions. Additionally, while the blanket is durable, improper washing or drying can lead to pilling or reduce softness on the cooling side. Pets may have their own preferences, as one reviewer humorously noted that their dog preferred a faux fur throw even in the summer. However, for human users, the Elegear Cooling Throw Blanket is widely regarded as a worthwhile investment for improved sleep comfort during hot weather. The blanket has received high ratings across multiple platforms, with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 28,000 reviewers. It ranks highly in the home and kitchen category and is particularly popular among those seeking relief from overheating at night. The product's combination of innovative cooling technology, dual-sided design, lightweight construction, and easy maintenance make it a standout choice in the cooling blanket market. In summary, the Elegear Revolutionary Cooling Throw Blanket is a highly effective solution for hot sleepers, those with night sweats, and anyone seeking a comfortable, cool sleeping experience during warmer months. Its dual-sided design offers versatility for year-round use, and its lightweight, portable nature makes it suitable for a variety of settings. The blanket is easy to care for, though attention to washing instructions is important to maintain its quality. While it may not replace a heavy winter blanket, it excels as a summer or transitional season throw. If you are looking for a way to stay cool and comfortable at night, the Elegear Cooling Throw Blanket is a product that consistently receives strong recommendations from users. Don't forget to check the link in the description to support the channel. And if you have tried this blanket, please leave your review in the comments to help others make the best choice for their needs.